I'm pleased to share the highlights from our March quarterly report, a pivotal quarter that further reinforces our position as a leading operator in the global lithium industry. At our Pilgangoora operation in Australia, we safely delivered results through one of our busiest quarters to date. We achieved a 10% improvement in our 12-month rolling TRIFR, reducing to 3.22, a strong safety outcome, particularly given the complex infrastructure tie-ins and ramp-up activities undertaken during the quarter. Despite weather-related disruption from Cyclone Zelia in the quarter, we produced 125,000 tonnes of spodumene concentrate, aligned with our plan once the cyclone impacts are taken into account. Our realised spodumene concentrate pricing rose by 7%, reflecting solid customer demand and disciplined sales execution. I'm delighted to confirm that our P1000 project has passed all performance tests. The project is now transitioning from ramp-up to optimisation phase, a major milestone that increases our production capacity and sets the stage for expected unit cost improvements in the June quarter and throughout FY26. We ended the quarter with a strong $1.1 billion cash balance, a financial fortress that underpins our long-term growth ambitions and provides resilience through market cycles. With the completion of P1000, we are concluding a multi-year investment cycle. We're now ideally positioned, lower cost, partnered with the leading battery chemicals companies, strategically diversified, and backed by a strong balance sheet. We are well equipped to navigate and grow in this exciting, future-facing industry. Thank you to our incredible team, trusted partners, and loyal shareholders for your ongoing support.